Okay, now we're going to cut the glass. One thing to keep in mind is a lot of glass is textured. Like this cathedral glass here is very textured on this side, but it's very flat and smooth on the other side. And so when you do cutting, you really want to cut on the smoothest side of the glass rather than the textured side if you can. So I'm going to cut on this side. Okay, so what's the first thing I do is I put on my safety glasses. So here they are. I put them on. Don't look that stylish, but I'm going to be safe. Okay. Here's the glass cutter. Now, when you cut glass, there's different ways you can hold it. You can hold it, you can hold it like a pencil. You can kind of put your kind of one finger on top of it if you like. Some people like to kind of pass it kind of through their knuckle like that and hold it like that. You just want to do it in a way that's comfortable to you. The most important thing is you want it to be perpendicular to the glass when you're cutting. You really don't want to kind of cut at an angle like this. You really kind of want it to be straight up and down. And so what I'm going to do is, and sometimes it helps to stand up, but actually this table's low enough where I can see it. I'm going to get it ready on my line, which I drew ahead of time, which I can see, but you can't see it. And I'm going to keep it perpendicular, and I'm not going to cut yet, but I'm going to pull it towards me, and I'm going to do it all in one motion. Because if you start and stop and try and do it in little pieces, you're making a whole bunch of different cracks, and that's really not going to break well when you decide to break it. Don't have to go fast. And the amount of pressure you apply is important. You want to hear kind of a scratch sound while you're scoring the glass. But if you hear kind of a grinding sound or kind of a cracking or breaking sound, you're probably pressing too hard. And if you don't hear any sound, you're probably not pressing hard enough. So you want to kind of find that medium pressure where you hear kind of a scratching sound, but not a crunching or grinding sound. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this cut. I see my line. I'm going to kind of get it up and down. I'm going to apply pressure, and let's see how we do. There we go. And now see what happened was, and you can actually see that scratch that I made, and the glass isn't cut, but in the next clip, we're going to take the pliers and we're going to break that piece of glass, and it should break right on that line.